Okay, so lots of water throughout the day on regular basis. Conscious effort लेना है आपको. Many times we skip drinking water. Okay, the baseline of our food pyramids, we being Indians.
But does it depend on the climate? Now, see in the cold season, you don't tend to drink.
Yeah, that's why I said conscious effort, because you don't forget to eat. So it's a conscious effort. The second, the baseline of the food pyramid is water. The second one is cereals. Food group is cereals. We being Indians, हमारा ज़्यादातर diet रहता है चपाती, भाकरी, rice, bread. So that forms the base of our food pyramid. The third level is combination of fruits and vegetables. बहुत बार तो हम fruits skip ही कर देते हैं. We don't even remember consuming fruits on regular basis. And vegetables we consume only to finish our chapatis. And we fill our stomach with chapati and rice. So reverse करना है. Because fruits and vegetables are very good source of multivitamins, minerals and vitamins. The next level is protein group, जिससे हमको शक्ति मिलती है. That's all energy. Protein जिससे पौष्टिक, यानी जिससे हमारा बॉडी रिपेयर होता है, वेयर एंड टेयर होता है, बिल्ड होता है टिश्यूज. दैट इज प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन किससे मिलता है? दूध के पदार्थ, मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. मिल्क के प्रोडक्ट्स है कर्ड्स, बटर मिल्क, पनीर, चीज. Then we have other non-vegetarian sources also, that is meat and other organ meats. Then we have eggs, even dals, legumes, sprouts fall into this category. And nuts. जो टिप ऑफ द फूड पिरामिड है वो हमको स्पेरिंगली यूज करना है, यानी कम से कम मात्रा में. वो है चर्बी यानी ऑयल है, फैट है, घी है एंड शुगर. लेकिन हम ये फूड पिरामिड सब लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. हमारा फैट एंड शुगर इंटेक इज ऑन द हायर साइड कंपेयर टू आवर फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स एंड प्रोटीन. यू ऑल अग्री विथ मी? So from today, 2 fruits compulsory, all of us. I know 2 different colors. 2 different colors, why? 2 different nutrients. Okay? So for you all to understand and remember 2 different colors. My fruits will do the hair roll in your body. Okay? Now that food pyramid is still incomplete because this is a revised one. Everything is same. जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है सब कुछ सेम लिखा हुआ है. खाली एक डिफरेंस कोई नोट कर सकता है? क्या है इसमें? Yes, very good. Food and exercise go hand in hand. Okay? So what happens when you follow this food pyramid? You get your essential nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats. ये सुना है आपने? Carbohydrate, protein, fat. Carbohydrate कहाँ से मिलेगा? Fruits, vegetables और जो बेस था हमारा अनाज, cereals, उससे मिलेगा. Proteins किससे मिलेगा? जिससे हमें दूध के पदार्थ, नॉनवेज, दाल, पल्सेस, स्प्राउट्स वहां से मिलेगा. फिर फैट्स इज अ विजिबल फैट एंड हिडन सोर्सेज रहता है, जैसे मिल्क आल्सो इज अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ फैट दैट आई विल डिस्कस इन लेटर. सो दीस हैव टू बी कंज्यूम्ड इन राइट अमाउंट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. ऑल कंफ्यूज कि कितना कार्बोहाइड्रेट, कितना प्रोटीन. सो डोंट वरी, लेट्स फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग. नाउ आई गिव यू ऑल बेसिक टिप्स. क्या करना है फूड ग्रुप वाइज. ओके, सीरियल्स एंड ग्रेन्स. व्हाट आर सीरियल्स? wheat, rice, jawar, bajra, nachni, oats, muesli, khakra, chapatis, tandoor and so on. List is endless. So हमको ये रेगुलर बेसिस पे खाना है, पर इस फूड ग्रुप में से किस चीजों को हमको रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना है? The key word is moderation. किसको रेस्ट्रिक्ट करना है? All the refined products of मैदा, bakery, khari, toast, biscuits. Why have you all served biscuits today? Sorry, I was not aware. This is fruit serve करवाती थी. Oats is very healthy. Anybody over here eats oats on regular basis? Good. Good. In what form do you eat oats? Anirudh, how do you eat oats?
The microwave.
In with what? Waterization. Very good. How do we eat oats?
Water. Just oats.
Water and what? He eats boiled oats. How do
I
you
make
eat
upma.
Very good. Oats
It
आपने
tastes very
से-
nice.
Yes, it tastes very nice.
Onion and chili.
Yes. So there are two taste difference. Now oats जिसको milk के साथ खाना like a porridge that can be consumed. You can add little sugar to it. जिसको sugar नहीं खाना है, they can add natural fruit or maybe natural nuts. जो खजूर रहता है, almonds है, walnuts for the taste. जिसको सुबह सुबह नहीं पसंद है porridge. We Indians don't like porridge in the morning. उसको तीखा पसंद है. तो vegetable उपमा बना दो just like a रवा उपमा. जिसको दूध का इंटॉलरेंस है, इनको मिल्क के साथ नहीं पसंद है, वो वाटर के साथ लेते हैं. अदर ऑप्शन इज कर्ड्स, अदर ऑप्शन इज सोया. So he is having
chapati flour we can add.
yes. Next is that only. Now he is having oats and water. Where is your protein? So he can introduce a glass of milk or eggs in the morning. Anirudh, have you heard that?
Yes, I heard.
Forget your tea. Concentrate here. Okay. Now, person like me may not like oats porridge or oats upma. So what do? Rini rightly said, blenderize your oats into flour, add it to your chapatis. Done for the day. You can add even soya to it. So 8:1:1 is the ratio. 8 is your wheat flour, 1 is your oat flour, and the other 1 is your soy flour. Agree? Follow with me?
For heart patients, wheat is not good. Chapati.
No food is good or bad. It is our method of cooking that makes it bad or good.
The pulkas are.
Yes. Understood? Should I proceed ahead?
Yeah.
Thank you. Pulses and legumes. That is protein source. All dals, all legumes, that is your kardhaniya, comes into this category. Good source of protein. Now, why do we soak them, wash them, and pressure cook them? We do that, right?
And we germinate them.
We germinate. That is the next slide. Because they have many anti-nutrients in it. By doing that, you are improving the digestibility and the availability of the nutrients. You must have seen many of us complaining when we eat all these things, gas formation.
होता है.
Yes. इसलिए दिन में खाना है. Okay?
And thoda hing डालना.
Yes. Method of cooking plays an important role. Soya is also another good protein source.
Well number 183, Dr. Shreyas Tangri.
It's a very good vegetarian protein source. It has lots of health benefits, which includes your calcium. It is also very beneficial in postmenopausal patients, that is women. It is beneficial in cardiac patients. Soya can be consumed on regular basis. Various soya products are available in the market. सोया का आटा मिलता है जो हम चपाती में डाल सकते हैं. सोया के ग्रैन्यूल्स मिलते हैं, छोटे छोटे दाने, like your bundi. So instead of your bundi raita, you can prepare soya raita. You get big soya chunks, out of which you can prepare chapatis, which resemble and taste like your chicken. Okay, and soya milk is available. तो दूध मिलता है, that can be consumed by patients who are lactose intolerant, जिनको दूध नहीं पसंद है या जिनको दूध सूट नहीं करता है. There's soya paneer which is available, which is called as tofu. So any one product, one time throughout the day. कोई भी एक टाइम पे आपको एक सोया प्रोडक्ट, स्पेशली वेजिटेरियन, should consume it.
Ma'am, what about soya oil?
Yes, oil will come back. Will come. So that comes into oil category. Benefits of sprouting, as Auntie said right now. Most of us forget to have sprouts. Everybody is aware the benefits of sprouts, but do not consume it on regular basis. So at least twice to thrice in a week, sprouts should be consumed. Because once you do the sprouting process, sprouting सबको पता है, right? Or should I explain the process? जिसको कर्ड मोर आले कर्ड सांगता ना